Are you tired of time-consuming meal prep? Meet the Food Slicer, your new kitchen companion. This versatile tool chops, slices, and dices vegetables with ease. First, let's talk about functionality. The Food Slicer excels as both a chopper and a mandolin. One customer raved, "It works great. Adjustable thickness made it perfect." Next, we highlight its ease of use. Customers love how quickly it processes ingredients. It's super easy to clean up, one user noted. The third benefit? It's a massive time saver. Dicing onions and slicing tomatoes is just a breeze. "Say goodbye to tedious chopping," exclaimed another satisfied customer. Using the Food Slicer is a simple process. Just insert your ingredients, select the blade, and slice away. The design allows for quick, uniform cuts in seconds. Imagine how you can use this gadget. Make salsa, prepare salads, or chop veggies for stir-fries quickly. Don't just take our word for it. 1,194 customers mentioned its amazing functionality. This gadget is a game changer, raved a user. Happiness in the kitchen is just one slicer away. In summary, the Food Slicer is easy to use, saves you time, and gives great results. You deserve seamless meal prep with this fantastic kitchen tool. Ready to revolutionize your cooking experience? Click the link below to grab your Food Slicer today.